Welcome, everybody, to a very special day for the Raiders and the city of Las Vegas. The first touchdown as the Las Vegas Raiders.
Defense, let's go.
Back, and the Raiders hit him. I'm not sure he got it. I'm not sure he got it. The Raiders win the opener as the Las Vegas Raiders. Las Vegas is official an NFL city. Something I never dreamed that I would someday be saying.
Give me everything you got and let's see what happens.
Carr want to throw for it, and a wide open Alec Ingold. And he's the answer to the trivia question.
Good call. Great job, great job. Nothing left to be said. We know what we got to do. Win on three. 1, 2, 3, win. Here we go, Oak. We got to go right down. We got to go right down. Let's go.
Carr airs it out. Separation. Hauled in. Henry runs for the touchdown. Miraculous.
First one. First to many, kid. First to many. Let's go. To the party, young man.
Jacobs has got it. Jacobs going. Jackpot, baby. Vegas touchdown.
Waller still on his feet, and he will stroll into the end zone for the touchdown.
Let's go.
Come on, D. And it's intercepted. Intercepted on the play by Heath. Intercepted.
Oh, yeah.
Was it intercepted? Yes. Intercepted. Mullins got it. And that is it.
Renfro sliding across the goal line. Another touchdown. Behind the D for the touchdown.
Let's go.
Steps Mahomes doesn't see it.
Let's go.
Fires deep right. Waller makes a one-handed grab, and he's got it. The all-time single-season reception leader. First touchdown. Jackpot, baby.
Ready, guys, man. Finish. Let's go. Why they need something?
Carr has his man, Foster Morrow, and the Raiders are in business.
Josh Jacobs putting this one away.
Wide open Waller. Ball is loose. Raiders have it again. And he hits his man Moreau. Breaks a tackle and scores on a big one downfield.
Keep working. Keep working. I'm gonna get to him.
Carr on a handoff. Going up top.
Over the top. Vegas salted it away.
Left side.
Raiders touchdown. 1:24 seconds left. Fire. Got it. Waller. Jackpot, baby. Jackpot. And a baby Groot.